Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money online with Midjourney AI. In today's fast-paced digital age, making money online has become a popular way for people to earn an income. If you're looking to make some extra cash on the side, Midjourney, an AI generator that allows you to create stunning digital artwork with just a few simple commands, can help you do just that. With the right strategy, you can turn your Midjourney creations into a lucrative side hustle, earning a huge amount. In this video, we'll share a proven strategy for maximizing your earnings with Midjourney, from crafting effective prompts to marketing your work to potential buyers. So let's dive in and explore the world of AI art and how it can help you earn money online. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more future updates. So let's start. To get started with making money online using Midjourney AI, you'll need a few things: a computer, internet access, a dedicated workspace, basic software and tools, time management skills. Now, what Midjourney AI is? Midjourney AI is an innovative tool that produces images with a distinctive artistic flair, setting it apart from other AI programs like DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. Its capacity to generate images based on text descriptions is similar to DALL-E and Stable Diffusion, but Midjourney's creators have established their own style that has drawn the attention of both artists and AI enthusiasts. Midjourney made its initial debut with the launch of a Discord server in March 2022 and has been continuously striving to enhance its algorithms ever since. Accessing Midjourney AI. Acquiring access to Midjourney is comparatively more straightforward than other ad programs. Unlike other programs that require installation and complex library setups, Midjourney does not necessitate any of these. Moreover, if you already possess a Discord account, you don't need to register separately to access Midjourney, since it is solely accessible through Discord. Discord is an online voice and text chat platform that is free of cost and enables hundreds or even thousands of users to engage in discussions simultaneously. After getting acquainted with Discord, accessing Midjourney is a breeze. To join the Midjourney Discord server, you may either use a Discord invitation link or click on the Join the Beta option on the Midjourney website. Generating an AI image. To get started with Midjourney, navigate to the Newcomers section and join one of the rooms with the title Newbies followed by a number. Once you enter the appropriate room, you can begin using Midjourney. To prompt Midjourney to create an image, use a Discord command by typing /imagine, followed by a text description of what you would like Midjourney to generate. The key to getting good results from Midjourney is to learn how to write effective prompts. You can tell Midjourney to use certain art styles, colors, or themes in your prompt, and it responds best if you separate these details with commas. You can also include parameters in your prompt to adjust the output of your AI art. Midjourney supports a wide range of different parameter options, such as the aspect parameter that lets you generate images with specific aspect ratios. Strategies for maximizing your earnings. Now that you know how to use Midjourney, it's time to start making money with your creations. Here are some strategies for maximizing your earnings. Method 1. Selling art prints. Selling art prints is a lucrative way to monetize your AI-generated designs by selling them as physical prints. This can be done through print-on-demand services, which allows you to outsource the more labor-intensive aspects of your merchandise business, such as inventory management, printing, packaging, and delivery of your products. By using pod services, you can focus on the creative side of your business, while the service provider takes care of the logistics. There are several popular pod websites where you can sell a variety of items that feature your Midjourney designs, including t-shirts, mugs, tumblers, stickers, hoodies, phone cases, metal displays, and more. Some of the popular pod websites are Redbubble, Displate, Spreadshirt, and TeePublic. These pod websites offer a simple and effective way to sell your art prints without having to worry about inventory, manufacturing, or shipping. All you need to do is upload your designs to the website, and they will take care of everything else. Method 2. Selling stock photos. Selling stock photos is another popular way to make money from your Midjourney images. Find a stock photography platform. There are many online platforms where you can sell your stock photos, such as Shutterstock, Getty Images, and iStock. Do some research to find the platform that works best for you and your niche. Submit your photos. Once you've built up your portfolio, it's time to start submitting your photos to the platforms you've chosen. Make sure you follow their guidelines and requirements closely to increase your chances of acceptance. Wait for approval. After submitting your photos, you'll need to wait for approval from the platform. If your photos are accepted, they'll be added to the platform's database, where customers can search and purchase them. When someone purchases one of your photos, you'll earn a commission. Method 3. Selling Midjourney prompts. Selling Midjourney prompts is a creative way to make money online by creating prompts or writing prompts for people who are in the middle of their writing projects. These prompts could be anything from a simple sentence or phrase to a full writing prompt or story starter. Writers often get stuck in the middle of their writing projects, and they may need a little push to get back on track. This is where Midjourney prompts come in. As a seller, you can offer a variety of prompts to your customers based on their specific needs. To sell Midjourney prompts, you can start by creating a website or social media page where you can showcase your work and attract potential customers. Another way to sell Midjourney prompts is through online marketplaces such as Etsy, Fiverr, or Upwork. Overall, selling Midjourney prompts can be a rewarding and profitable way to monetize your writing skills and help other writers achieve their goals. Method 4. Offering AI generation as a service. Offering AI generation as a service involves creating an online service that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to generate unique and customized artworks based on user preferences. This method is ideal for those who have skills in programming and AI development or are willing to invest. The service could include a user interface where customers can input their desired specifications, such as color palette, theme, and style. Then the AI algorithm would generate a unique artwork based on those specifications, which the customer could purchase. To start this method, you'll need to have a solid understanding of AI development and programming. You may also need to invest in powerful hardware and software to support AI algorithms. Additionally, you'll need to create a website or platform to host the service and attract customers. Method 5. Creating graphic novels and children's books. Graphic novels and children's books are popular forms of entertainment that continue to captivate readers of all ages. If you have a passion for storytelling and illustration, creating your own graphic novels or children's books could be a profitable venture. Here are some steps to get started. Develop your concept. Decide on a unique story that will appeal to your target audience. Create a script or a storyboard. Write out the dialogue and action of your story in a script or create a visual storyboard to plan out the scenes and pacing of your book. Illustrate your book. Bring your story to life with your illustrations. Consider the style and medium you want to use and create a consistent look throughout your book. Publish and promote. Once your book is complete, you can self-publish or seek a publishing deal. With a strong concept, quality illustrations, and effective promotion, you could turn your passion for storytelling and art into a successful business. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these 5 methods helpful in generating a huge income from your Midjourney artworks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.